Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I hope everyone is enjoying having fun today. Hope your day has been so far so good, so amazing. Okay, today it's gonna be a pretty awesome day. Let's see. I've shared a couple of trades today. This trade I took it was a success, and this one I took it as well. It was a success. You can see everything was aligned, went according to my own plan, right? So, let's see. Today I'm gonna remove everything here so that I can start all over again. Let's see. Hello, good morning, Lisa. From you, New York. Obviously, you are from New York, sir. Good morning to you, Lisa. How are you? Hope you're fine. So, for the sake of this streaming, I'm not gonna talk about GE DAX. I'm not gonna talk about DAX. Okay, sorry for that breaking transmission. Let's see. Okay, so for Euro USD, most likely Euro USD is actually making some attempts to reverse. I think it's trying to continue moving up. Perhaps, I don't know. Maybe let's just do some proper analysis here so that we can grab any. Oh, I think it's trying to go back. I think Euro USD is actually trying to go back. It's pretty awesome right here. Let's see. Okay, this is all I have. These are the levels we're targeting for today, but then perhaps we may get something bigger than this because of this fantastic move that's about to come. Perhaps if we can get in here at this level at 2180 and take it, get all out at 2671, I think it's gonna be of nice help. Okay, 1 second, guys. Okay, sorry for that breaking transmission. Okay, so I think this is actually a nice plan right there for Euro USD. So some fantastic plan for Euro USD right there. Okay, I'm just gonna mark out this level just for our sanity. All right, so looking at what actually is happening here, there are two things involved here. Either Euro USD is coming here to retest and pull down or whatever it is doing. We don't really care. You just need to see something that we can take advantage of, right? Do not forget, weak fill is the most predominant setup that we are going to have every time, but the other one is actually hard to come by. But if you see it, man, if it breaks, man, it's going to do wonders, right? I'm going to come to that shortly. Let's see. A second. Okay, let's continue, please. So we just want to nice. Okay, this is actually what I was looking for. So here is the playbook as usual. You know how this all works out. So in 1 hour time frame, we have pretty interesting thing happening right here. So look at this young man now. Okay, so let's assuming that this guy just pulls back to this level, right? So the next candle up, and the next candle opens up here. So you see, it's an advantage for us to just take a trade that's going to actually end at this level, which is pretty awesome. But then I don't think it's going to happen, because we have approximately 6 minutes for this guy to close, and he's still so high like this. But then we could actually take leverage on some other things. Let's see. Let's just get in and see. Let's just zoom in and see some things. Yeah, exactly. So break closing above here is a good sign that price may continue going up, right? It's pretty awesome. Makes sense. But then without seeing what we are looking for, we're not going to take any trade today. But then I believe we're going to see whatever thing we're looking for. We definitely see that, I'm pretty sure, because we have a great day here today. We have advanced GDP, Q over Q quarterly, that is released for USD. It's pretty bad for USD, and hence this move to the upside. Okay, so I say that price may continue going down. Because this is news reaction from news, so prompting us to believe that any reaction from news is normally corrected. For instance, look at yesterday. This happened by 10:30 p.m. Dubai time. That is, it all happened, and look at it's all been corrected till now, right? So what else are we waiting for, guys? This inspired move by news inspired move, and I believe it's going to be corrected. If not now, then later. Okay, that's by the way. Can you see what our setup did here? This is our setup, right? This is, if you were online yesterday, pretty much this is your breakout. This above here could have been your breakout, but then I don't think it's not advisable in this setup, right? Perhaps if you had gotten into a trade here and you use this level as your stop loss, you pretty much must have hit the stop loss, right? So it makes sense if you get in again the moment price breaks above here. Look at what happen later, right? So this is very, very profitable, I will say. Okay, so that is it for Euro USD. For Euro USD, I'm going to mark this level because it is also an important level that we don't want to ignore, because we are looking at a particular thing. So if you are getting into a trade to the downside, this is actually going to be our nearest support level, which is where we need to close some positions. Very important. Okay, so break and retest, right? This is going to be retest and closure. Okay, well, this is going to be nothing is going to happen here. Yeah, this is going to be sell. Unfortunately, it's going to be sell. It's going to be sell area, closure below, exactly. So price is actually going to how do I say this now? Retest. I think it makes sense if I use the second template. Yeah, retest and closure, exactly. So if price retest and closes above, so we can begin to, it's pretty much conflicting, but then let's leave it that way until we see what we're looking for, right? So this is going to be pretty much a buy. Let me remove this. This is going to confuse anybody that joins our streaming later on. Okay, this is a buy. If we buy, this is going to be our final take profits right here. So I think we are pretty much good to go here. Okay, let's see. If this changes, if the conditions changes, then I'm gonna change the analysis. The analysis I have here is pretty much still very valid. Still pretty much very valid. But then we can change some couple of things right here. Break and closure above 125.05 is actually going to be a buy for us. Okay, so if this candle, most likely this candle is going to close like this, so we expect some, you know, some weak fill, right? We expect some. That's pretty much nice, guys. So I think today is a good day for us, right? So this level should not be here anymore. Hello, my dear. I cannot pronounce your name, unfortunately. That's a Russian name, if I'm not mistaken, right? So I cannot pronounce your name. How are you doing? I believe you're pretty much fine, just as expected. So, guys, how is my audio today? Can I get some feedback about my audio today? Can I get some feedback about my audio? Is there any clear difference in my audio? Can you guys hear me pretty well? Is it better? I believe it's better, right? I believe my audio is way better, right? Can I get some feedback, please? I'm in hunt of feedback, hunting for feedback. Okay, your name is Gap. Is that what you're trying to say? Your name is Gap, is it? Okay, Mr. Gap. I know, I hear. So this is gonna be pretty much a sell zone. If price breaks below here, it's gonna be a sell zone, and this is gonna be closure of 50%, 50 to 80%, and this is gonna be the final target. So this remains today gap close. So guys, so if you are listening to me, this is an opportunity for you to make some money. My dear, I cannot understand what you're saying. Please, can you structure your question very well? I don't understand what you mean, okay? Yes, the audio is pretty much clear, and you can hear my voice from the sound of my belly. Why? Because I changed my audio device. I bought a brand new, streaming microphone. It's pretty much very beautiful. I'm really enjoying having it around. It's, professional streaming microphone. Very expensive. Don't ask me how much I bought it. Don't ask me. I bought it from Amazon. Amazon is pretty much the best company ever in the whole world. But it's just, I bought it yesterday, and it came in just, literally after 7 hours. You can imagine that, man. Those guys are awesome, right? Okay. My dear, but gap not close, 2-6. I don't get what you are trying to say. Please, can you at least do some analysis on Tradingview and share the pin with me, share the link with me here, okay? Then I can help you, okay? Please, I cannot get anything you're saying, okay? So sorry about that. Okay, so this is the plan right here. The plan here is what? My God, why is this not visible from here? Why? Okay, let me see. Okay, I think it makes sense if I move this down. Yeah, if I move it a little bit down so that we can have good visibility. So this is where to have our buy stop right here. I know it's just 5 o'clock. Yes, yes, we know, but then this is where I'm going to have my buy stop. This is where I expect to execute a trade. I don't know, I may be right, I may be wrong. Don't get me wrong, guys. I'm not a magician. I'm just following a strategy. What am I following? This is what I want to trade. I want to trade a gap. Sorry, not gap, a week. Okay, I want to trade a week, and it's most likely going to fail. Okay, so if you are with me, let's have fun. If you're not with me, please stay away from our lane. We are moving so fast today. Yes. You can see that is right there, my buy stop already there. So let's see what happens next from now. Guys, you can see something else is happening in 4 hours. We didn't look at this before. Let's look at 4 hours for this guy and see. Okay, 4 hours is pretty much the same thing. So for NAS, 4 hours and 1 hour, they are pretty much aligned, and this is pretty much, this is very awesome, guys. I love what I see. Okay, it's just telling us one thing, that we're going to be okay. All right, see, daily 4 hours and 1 hour time frame, they are pretty much doing the same thing, telling us what, that we're going to be part of this fantastic wick fill from this area until 126,666. All right, so it makes sense, guys. Really, it makes sense when 4 hours daily and 1 hour are just aligned. So today I don't think we're hoping for any sales. And for those of us actually that took advantage of my methods, which is actually buying above doing some what is it called, impulse trading. I think this may have worked pretty well for you today. Just be careful while doing it next time. Okay, so we're going to buy stop above 125.62 to see what price has in stock for us. Okay, and then for Euro USD, I don't know, I don't know. I think we should just bond this pair today. Mr. I don't know your name, is still asking, but gap not close to 6. Okay, you mean 26th? Oh, I get what you're trying to say, my friend. Oh, okay, 26th is this day. What gap are we talking about, my dear? Let's see, daily 26th. Okay, I get you, my friend. It seems you got into a trade here. It seems you got into a position here. You opened a position the moment I talked about filling a wick. When I talked about filling a wick here, my dear, filling a wick is not compulsory, right? If it doesn't fill a wick, you don't take the trade. Okay, you are only going to take the trade when price has broken below, right? You have to wait for price to break below for you to take advantage of this, right? But then it seems you got in with a lot of risk and then you are crying already. My dear, maybe today close, I don't know, my dear. Tuesday gap not close. I'm not trying to make jest of you, my dear, but then you should have listened to instruction. The instruction says wait for the break of this low and then allow the market to move downwards. And also you should be listening as well to me to understand what I'm trying to say. From what I'm trying to say here, Tuesday is gone. We're not looking at Tuesday anymore, right? What we're looking at today now is to fill this gap from daily, yesterday's day, right? There's a gap here that is meant to be filled. So we're pretty much interested to fill the gap. And we have daily 4 hours and 1 hour aligned. In doing this, they are all aligned. They want to close this gap, you see? So that is why we are placing buy stop above. Price may still go up. We are not sure. We're not magicians. So if you had followed whatever thing I said that day, look at, we first of all allowed the price to open, make some move, and then moved downwards to do some magic, and now it's moving up, right? So we have to set our buy stop above it, not before it starts moving up, right? So just this mistake, you shouldn't have it again. If you have open positions, please, I'm gonna advise you to close it. Close out your open positions. Let's hope that you recover your money in a couple of trades. Okay, close the open position, please. It makes sense if you stay out of trouble, my friend. Okay. Okay. Let's see. I don't know what price is pretty much going to do, but I have a feeling it's going to try to close up yesterday's gap. And Euro USD precisely is still trying to do some things. I'm going to say between filling this gap, I mean this my Russian friend just changed my tongue from wick to gap. See how people can have influence on people. What do you think, guys? I think he has influence on me now. Okay, we have 47 pips right here. The goal today, my friend, is pretty much clear. We want to fill this week. I said it already. Okay, we want price to see if price is going to fill this week. If it doesn't fill this week, then we look for other positions. Okay, the only play I have right now, among my two plays, the only thing I have happening right now is week filling, right? Week fill. So we're waiting for week to be filled, and that's it, my friend. Okay. This week fill, I think, is gonna start happening from 5:30 when there is volume. This is impact of news, and that is done. We may get a weak fill, otherwise price may continue dropping. Let's see. Among our two pairs, nothing is happening, like pretty much nothing. Okay. Please let me know if you are not if you are experiencing some difficulties in the video. If the video is jacking or something of that nature, do let me know so that I can look at my settings. Okay, because I'm sorry, but I'm still trying to standardize everything I'm doing here to see if actually it's gonna be aligned. So okay, let's see. Let us see. This most likely, I don't know. Looking at this candle right here, I'm gonna say it may come all the way down to 1169 before going up, but something is certain. This week there is no week on the previous 4 hours candle, right? It's prompting me to ask a question: am I supposed to be on Euro USD right now? That's the question I have for myself. And the best answer for me now is to stay away from this, because this setup is conflicting. 1 hour setup is conflicting with 4 hour setup, and that's not what you want to get. You don't want to get in between these two things, right? Let them sort themselves out, then you can choose a trade when they are sorted. Right now they are still conflicting, and it's going to be suicidal if you take any trade on them, right? So because of that, I'm just gonna this looks like our play. It's beginning to form like our play. I love to see this happen. Okay, so what you're going to do, if you want to take Euro USD, consider taking a trade above here. The moment this area is broken, you can take a trade. Okay, that's what I think is going to happen. This is not it must not necessarily happen. Okay, do not go and trap yourself or open a position that you know that is gonna cause you to lose something, right? So they must not necessarily happen, you know what I mean? Okay, our NAS position is open. Our NAS position is open now. You can see my position is already open. Yes, my position is already open. So let's see how good price will treat us today. Will price treat us good today? I don't know. Let's wait and see what price is gonna do. Do not forget, I have to be very careful, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna open up daily and use daily time frame as for my yeah, I think it's actually pretty much aligned. So let me leave it at this level, then we can see what price is going to do later. Okay, price is pushing very well, very fine, as expected. Why? Because daily, 4 hours and 1 hour, they are all aligned to do the same thing. So whenever these guys are aligned, I pretty much get scared of going against them, because you don't just want to come in between these guys. Even 30 minutes, they are all aligned. 15 minutes is doing something else, but from daily until 30 minutes are all aligned to do something. They're not getting between them. Okay, if you want to lose the trade, I mean, if the trade is meant to be lost, it's okay. Let's lose it, but then I don't want to do what I'm going to do, guys, just to avoid NYSE open taking away my profits or whatever. I'm gonna leave my stop loss at this level. Okay, targeting 101, risking 91 pips. It's fine. I'm just risking some, you know, quarter of my risk. Okay, I'm using quarter of my risk. So okay, I think Euro USD is doing pretty much fine. 1 hour, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and 1 hour are doing the same thing in alliance with one daily time frame. The only thing that is messing up right here is 4 hours, right? And I think it's gonna come to its senses by the time Euro USD kicks its butts, right? The best price to have opened a trade in Euro USD, if you are interested, if you are willing to take the risk, is now. Open a trade above here, and I'll you know, hope for price to at least move until 21.91, right? If you are interested, this is your position right here. But then if you're not convinced, go ahead and wait for 1764. Okay, so let's see. Something just came to my mind. Let me leave this here. Okay, let me just minimize this risk, guys. I don't want to cry today. I don't feel like crying today. Okay, today is not the day to cry. Or I could make it maybe 40, okay, 50 pips. Yeah, it's better. We swear better, right? It's way better. So this is what we do right here and now. I hope I'm audible, guys. I just hope, I just pray God that I am audible. Yes, I am audible. That's great. So guys, is anyone on this trade? Is anyone on this one? Let me know. If you're on this trade, let me know, please. If you are taking this trade, let me know. It's a life-changing trade, guys. Today looks like a life-changing day. So already we booked one. We actually are in one trade already. Let me just fill this up while I wait for the outcome of the trade. So this is my journal. I'm actually trying to fill my journal up. You know what I mean? While we are waiting for this price to move, make sure you're liking the stream, please. If you come online to watch people's stream, please enjoy the stream and also like, okay? It makes sense if you spread the love. In appreciation, you like it, okay? Like the stream, please. I have up to 12 people here. I only have like 3 likes. Can I have 12 likes now, please? Okay? Make my channel popular, guys, okay? Thank you. Guys, is anyone on this trade? Please, can you guys indicate? I just want to know how many people are taking advantage of this. Is anyone taking this trade? Is anyone on this trade, guys? Is anyone? Wow, the pair we actually neglected is the one that moved the most, you know. We neglected this young man and it moved the most. German index, right? If I had seen this close like this, a pop, then maybe perhaps if it pushes until here, after gotten in this about 40 pips, man, closure here at the next resistance level, and that's it, man. I mean, that's literally 41 pips, right? So that's awesome, guys. Awesome. I say awesome. Oh, Euro USD. Why are you pulling back, darling? And what about our little young friend? Can you push up? Let's see. So guys, at this point, I'm gonna do something because NYC is about to open. I'm not gonna give my money back. Oh, gold is really pushing so hard. God damn it. If I had seen this gold move, perhaps I would have taken some trades. Well, I'm disciplined, so. Okay, guys, at this point in time, seeing that this actually has happened around here, it makes sense if we actually, you know, take our stop loss. Let's remove the risk. That's what I'm going to do now, because if NYC opens, it's going to be a different ballgame altogether, right? So let's move our stop loss to break even. It's okay, guys. It's okay. Nothing is wrong with it, with doing this, right? If you do it, it's fine. It's fair. Nothing. There's nothing to lose. If NYC opens and we get a volume or some sort of confirmation with price, you know, actions, then we can take a second trade, right? So go ahead and break even, please. It makes sense. Hi, good evening, BK. Hello, Larona. Booty. Yes, I'm on it. Oh, nice. It's good that someone took the trade at least. And it's good that someone is actually responding, because I feel like I'm talking to myself. Do. 4 likes. 4 likes, guys, not good enough. 4 likes. Not good enough, please. Can I get more likes, please, guys? Yes, my friend, you have just 5 minutes to go for volume to come in. Oh, you want some heat? You're gonna get some heat, my friend. You're gonna get some heat. Just relax, okay? So, guys, for those of us who are really interested in making some money today, you can make sure that this is on break even. Okay, if you're still interested in not moving it to break even because you see chances that price will continue moving up, then go ahead and move put 27 pips as your stop loss. Okay, but I'm warning you, my price is already at break even. Okay, I'm going to show you right now. It's already at break even, so whatever happens, it doesn't impact me, nothing. You can see clearly I've not closed any position right here, right? I've not closed no position, no single position has been closed. Okay, if I have closed any position, you're going to see something, some arrow, some red arrow pointing downwards from here anywhere I've closed position. So you better be careful, guys. I've locked my position. If you want to lock yours, it's up to you. If you don't want to lock it, I'm not going to force you, but me, I've locked mine, completely locked. I prefer to break even than to lose the money, right? Whenever I sense something not good, you can clearly see right here actually that in 30 minutes we have our this setup here. This is forming here. This forces is forming in 30 minutes. So perhaps if we get confirmation in the next 30 minutes candle for open, then we can go ahead and scoop some profit. Okay. Hello KJ, it's good to have you. Woo! Welcome back, my dear. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. It's good to have you back. You forgot about us. You ran away from us. Perhaps you are not happy with our performance. I'm telling you now that we are rocking it now. Okay, we are rocking it now. We are rocking it. Go to the WhatsApp group and see for yourself. Telegram group and see for yourself. We are pretty much rocking it. We are killing it. Hello, Saucy. Okay, guys, something is happening. So, this is making sense. I'm just going to close, look at this. I'm just going to close 50% of this trade so that I will just answer present here. I'm just going to close 50% and move my... Okay. You can pretty much see that for yourself now. I've closed some positions. You can see at 32 pips I closed some positions. So look at it. I've closed some positions right here. The red arrow is actually showing you that, right? So congrats to anyone that actually took that position, because you cannot give that money back to market. As long as we are trading together, it's going to be wins from now on, from here henceforth. Okay, from here moving forward, it's going to be just wins, 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 and wins. Okay. And mind you, I record on this tracker only trades taken on live stream. I have separate tracker for my personal trades, which I don't have interest in sharing with anyone and anyone. Of course, we have won a couple of trades today. You can if you are on my Telegram channel, you're going to attest to that fact. Okay. Okay, 5:30 is here upon us. It has bestowed upon us some grace. I'm going to set a trade to be triggered upon, let me see, it's going to be pretty much awesome. Okay, so we have a new 30 minutes forming on this guy. So I just opened the trade, not opening, set a buy stop for Euro USD to trigger. If the moment price pushes past here, it means that forces has been completed. The setup has been completed and confirmed the moment price pushes past this level, right? So that is it for us right there. So this is my end, the point where I've actually placed my buy stop. You can see that here. That's my buy stop for Euro USD. Okay, so for NAS, woo, guys, NAS is making some move, guys. What do you think? NAS is making some very fancy move. I hope, did it close? Good, I hope it didn't. Oh, it didn't close. It didn't close my position. Okay, guys, I'm already in 57 pips profits. You can see. Okay, so if we hit take profit, then we're done for the day. We'll call it a day. So guys, what actually happened here? We got into a trade hoping for a weak fill. A weak fill happened right there, right? And then after the weak fill happened, what happened next? On NAS, we got a force setup, like forces. The one I call onion play, right? This onion play happened. It happened. Can you see? It happened right there. Can you see, guys? This is it happening, right? So I believe this is going to be pretty much a good trade. If you ask me, I'm going to say it's a good trade. I don't know. I don't have any just guys, can you just see? This is weak fill right here. The exact thing I have here. Look at the exact picture I have here happening. So why would you not tell your friends about what we do here, guys? Yes, we lose sometimes. Yes, of course. We're human beings, right? So we lose sometimes, but then we make profits a lot of times also. So like I told you guys at the beginning of the week, that I'm back for good, right? I'm back for good. I came back with some research that took me some time. I've been working on that research. I just concluded it, then I published it. And this is the result of that research. So guys, price is not my mate. I'm going to go ahead and close the remaining positions. I'm going to close 25% out of it just to make sure that I'm good. I don't, cry later, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and close another 25. Oh, why did price go to get? What the hell is wrong with these people, man? Why did they have to push price back to this? Come on. Well, I was still talking already. 20 pips left. Come on. It's not fair, guys. It's not fair. It's not fair. Not fair. See? I was talking, and before I finished saying something, the price moved all the way to, to 20 pips. This is not fair, guys. It's not fair. Whoever did this, if you are the person that has the money that did this, it's not fair. Believe me when I say it's not fair. It's a call out on you. Okay, let's update here. We close at, I think, 45 pips. Is it? Is it 45 pips? Let's see. It's 47 pips. Let's see. This is 47. Okay, so whatever price closes now at, let's see, if it closes above, I don't know, if it hits our take profit, then we change that 47 to, I think, change it to 96. Okay, Euro USD is still doing something else, telling me if Euro USD breaks below here, crosses 1477, that is a good. There are clear chances that price may continue going down. I mean, it's not confirmed because sometimes it may break it and then still push up again to form some sort of hammer, right? So let's see. Tomorrow is going to be a good day. Core PCE price index monthly. It's going to be quite interesting, guys. If this move, finishes and price flips and breaks this high, guys, I'm going to be scared of Euro USD because it's going to push up a lot. It's going to push up a lot. This is the target. Don't forget. This is going to be the target. That's a lot of money right there, guys. It was around 87 pips. Okay, 90 pips. That's nice. 90 pips, risking, let me see the previous 1 hour candle. Oh, previous 1 hour candle is pretty much very far. But I'm not going to risk more than 31 pips, so anyway. So guys, I hope you have closed everything I've asked you to close. Let's hope that our take profit gets hit. That's the most important thing right now. Okay, let's see. Let me look at the messages and see. Saucy said, good morning. What pair are you trading? Sorry, the screen is a bit fuzzy. Why would my screen be fuzzy? Is it? Guys, is everyone experiencing this? Is everyone experiencing this? Why would it be fuzzy or ever? Is anyone experiencing this same issue? If you are, please do let me know. Let me find a solution. Perhaps it's from Sources Network, right? Maybe it's from Sources Network. If everyone is experiencing this, please let me know so that I can actually find a cure to that. So what I just shared with you right here is actually a link to my playbook. You go ahead and click on it and make a copy for yourself so that you can have a place you're actually recording your trades. It's very, very nice to have. Okay, so let's wait patiently and see how this the next 1 hour is going to close from there. Zombie cat flip out. No, it's fine. All right, thank you so much. I think YouTube is holding someone's. See. So my dear, we are actually trading NAS. We're trading NAS just in case for the person that asks Sosi. We're trading NAS, okay? NAS100 and EURUSD, okay? That's what we're trading. Okay, my trade just closed, so I'm gonna leave this at I'm gonna leave it at 47 pips. So that is the final closure. 47 pips. So it's a first win today. So let's see if we're actually gonna get another position to hop into and make some money. Okay, let's hope we'll get one more. Oh my god, can you see? The only pair I said I'm not going to look at today is moving so hard. What the hell? It just hit my target. Damn, this is so heartless. The only pair I promised not to look at today. See, from weak fill to one fantastic move right there, right? This is awesome, guys. It's pretty much fantastic. It's a very nice move. Could have taken advantage of this weak fill. Anyway, that's 90 pips. Anyway, it's gone. There's nothing I can do about it. Literally nothing. Technically nothing. So let me take my mind away from there and focus on what matters right now. So guys, you can see the volume is dry already. The market is dry. Double top NAS100 go short. My Russian friend, he's starting to make me funny. Your screen is working on my laptop. The issue is my phone's. Oh my god, I'm sorry, my dear. Sorry to hear that. Make some money on NAS and go buy a phone, okay? So sorry, man. Oh, phone connection. Then change your network, my dear. It's time to change your network. What do you think? No need to have this. Let me just put back my buy stop. Better. I'm just undo to get it back. Yes, I can now remove this. by any chance price comes our way, we scoop. Otherwise, we wait. If you're on this stream and you are yet to join us, I wonder what you are waiting for. I don't know what you're waiting for. Okay, this is my Telegram. Oh, I don't need to do this. I actually need to do something very interesting, guys. I'm going to display that on my screen. Yes, I will. I'm going to just display that on my screen. Just 1 second. Guys, unless you see your setup happening, please you have to wait. Okay, if you feel this is your setup right here, please don't skip it, take it. Okay, if it is not your if it is not your setup, please, you don't need to take it. There is no need. You're not in a hurry to make money. You need to make a money, some money that that is sure, right? Something that if you attempt next time, you're gonna get it. So the question I have for you: if you attempt NAS this way next time, can you get it? If it's a yes, take it. If it's a no, then stay the hell out. Okay, that's number one. Number two is, you remember I told you that the price is going to correct. Price is going to correct. Okay, it's good because this is impact of news. This move right here was influenced by news, right? So it's happened and we took advantage of this week. And guess what? We hoped to get this much, I think 30 pips or 35 pips, but then we got more than 35 pips. We got 47 pips, right? So it makes sense if you allow the setup to finish. You don't know what's happening. You may get in and then kalas, it's done. Okay? Yes, I know this is me before. This is a fantastic setup, but then I don't think it's me anymore. I have to wait for things to happen. Okay? So let's see Euro USD. I'm particularly interested in seeing something happen here. I don't think Euro USD is going to reverse. If it breaks this low, I'm going to remove this. I'm going to close this buy stop. If it breaks below, yes. So guys, remove your buy stops. It's been invalidated, so better to be safe than to be sorry, right? I'm pretty much with my success today. I made all my trades today, I didn't lose any single one of them. So it's a good day for me. I don't know about you. Just take a look at gold and see, guys. If we had seen gold before now, perhaps we would have made a lot of money. I know my good friend must have made a lot of money today because he trades gold. Because this is the setup, I'm pretty sure. This is gold. Can you see? This much money in gold is, for him, is about $7,000. Yeah, that's $7,500 for him today. That's pretty much nice for him, you know. Congrats to him. Big congrats to him. Really happy. So this is the game now, guys. If this 4 hours actually breaks below these 4 hours, do I need to tell you what's gonna happen? It's gonna be disaster. You know what disaster means? But then this is not in our trading, right? It's not in our system. So the best thing we can do right now is to hope for price to actually, you know, break below here, come up all the way to, you know, 124.04, and then pull back. You know, pull back to, you know, 124.65. If it pulls back, then we can actually, you know, take advantage of the move of the pullback. You know, take advantage of weak fill to ride this price down, right? Look at all the you know, the levels I've, you know, indicated here. We have our profit level, and then we still have extended profits, showing you that I have a good, we have good stuffs coming in NAS. I think this, my Russian friend, actually has a lot of positions open in NAS, and he got into this position. I can tell you categorically, he got into this position somewhere here, and he's been keeping the position on till now because he's been eager for price to go short, and he's so excited that this is happening, right? And no, okay, let me continue doing what I'm doing, man. It concern me? No. So let's see. So we just have to wait for 1 hour closure, or maybe 30 minutes closure, or whatever that works first. So this is 30 minutes, man, but then I just want this guy to pull back until maybe it's not even a criteria yet. Selling is not a criteria now, because I need price to come down all the way to this level, at least clear this whole level, right? Then pull back, so we can take some nice profitable trade. But then if we get a very long wick somewhere here, we may jump into position, but with small risk. Have to risk very small, very small, because it didn't meet up with every of our criteria, you know. Go ahead and follow me on all platforms, guys. I don't know what you're waiting for. Whoa, guys, this is moving so fast. So interesting, guys. I'm expecting a very big break and then pull back. Do not get in, guys. Do not get in. Please wait for a week to form, okay? We're not in a hurry to be rich. We want to be rich in the right way, right? In the way that is, how do we call it? That we can repeat, right? In a way that is actually scalable, right? Okay, Euro USD is also pushing. Even this, my young friend, is also pushing. So where do we hope to take a trade now? Euro USD. Let's see 4 hours. Oh, I see, guys. Do you see what's happening here? So 4 hours actually won after all. 4 hours won after everything. Congrats to 4 hours for winning this battle. Daily is still losing woefully. 4 hours won every other candlestick here. That's a shame, man. Guys, what do you think? Don't you think it's a shame? My friend, yeah, nice we go and close your gap, but next time don't risk that amount of money, okay? It's very concerning, okay? It's very concerning that you're going to open a position and leave it up. Anyway, I don't know whether you did that or just trying to scope me. And NAS is doing pretty good. So now at this level, I just want price to pull back a little bit so it can give us chance to, get in. That's all I want now. If it does that, then we can actually get in. What is happening here? Okay, no, I'm done with NAS. What is it called? DAX. I'm done with DAX for the day. Done. Don't know. Deal with that young man. It's very freakish. I think we should just focus on NAS for now, just for the time being, because Euro USD is not too clear. I don't know what it's trying to do. This is actually a very nice and interesting setup right here, right? It's pretty much very nice. I think I will study this to see if we can start taking advantage of this. I've seen this setup a lot in 5 minutes, especially. It occurs a lot of excuse me. It occurs a lot of times in 5 minutes. A lot of times it occurs in 5 minutes. That setup. See, this is similar to it, right? This is not exact, but it's very similar. It's okay. I'm gonna get into some quiet time to understand the setup. Do not forget, what we're waiting for right here is some sort of confirmation, and that confirmation is what? For price to move all the way up and then form some sort of very long wick, and then we jump into trade upon the next candle open. If next candle open actually opens and pop up, if it pops up a little bit, then we can jump in. Okay, let's see. I expect us to get something like this if we can be able, because this, I can't see this in sight. This is not in sight. Okay, as long as this is not in sight, then let this become our guy. Oh, I'm stuck editing this guy, man. Excuse me, guys. Okay, so let's see what price is actually gonna do now. Whether it's gonna continue going down or it's just gonna give up and push up. I'm very much interested in seeing what gold is doing. I don't know, for some reasons I am today. Let's see. Gold is officially insane. Guys, can you see our setup here? This is our setup. For those of us who caught this, man, they are very big boys. Anyway, that was yesterday, so nothing new. Yesterday, technically everything went wrong yesterday. Okay, let's see. What about GBP USD? Pound dollars. It's going insane right here. FOMC caused this young man to move 123. It's pretty much nice. Okay, CGBP yen, pound yen. Wow, this is what I call movement, guys. Moving with full alacrity. It's moving with everything it has got. So weekly. Oh, I see what is happening, guys. Weekly is about to flip. Weekly time frame is about to flip. If it flips, this week is gonna get filled, and with enough volume, it fills the other week. It's fantastic, guys. Nice. The reason why I don't trade this space, it's insane. It's insane, you know. You'll be thinking that this is doing this, automatically it's going to do something else. No, it's just trouble on its own. But it's okay. See. Okay, let's focus, since our streaming is coming to an end shortly. Let's focus on NAS and see. Oh, NAS is playing a game of numbers here, guys. Are you seeing what NAS is doing? Now it has given us the reason to sing. Come on, guys, let's sing some. Let's sing for some pips. What do you think? Okay, so the plan is to set stop below this level. Okay, set stop below this level, sell stop below this level. Okay, let me just make it very visible. Set stop. Okay, and the level is 124.64. okay, let's see if we're gonna be able to cash this guy. If we can cash it, nice. But then I'm a little bit skeptical. Why? Because it has broken the previous 15 minutes high. I don't know if it's coming back or not. Was there any news released of recent? 6 o'clock. Let's see. Does it have any impact? Is it supposed to have any impact? Perhaps someone is speaking. I think someone is speaking. I don't know. Why is this guy moving without any single respect? Anyway, the plan remains the same. The only thing we can do is to trade what we have. Like, by what we have, I mean trade any of these setups, right? Any of these plays. So that's the only thing we can do. If we don't see anything among our plays happening today, then we're gonna call it a day. So let me give it a couple of more, perhaps the start of the next 30 minutes is going to tell us actually what is happening. But then I better open this position because it looks like something that's going to be pretty much fast. Let's see. I think what actually is happening here is this guy is getting weak. You can see from my broker, it doesn't have any wick, right? This guy does not have any wick, nothing, absolutely nothing. So I think this candle is giving it wick, and then after it takes its entitlement, the next thing it's gonna do is to come and flip. I don't know, I'm just guessing. So do not open any position unless you are sure. Okay, do not open any position, guys, unless you are sure. Can we all agree that price is actually, this guy, this weekless day, which is yesterday, by the way, can we all agree that price is actually drawing this this bar here that does not have any bottom wick, is actually drawing price down to itself in order to get a wick, and it will keep going up? I don't know, maybe that's what I feel is happening, because what's happening now is quite strange. It's not in any book or whatever. It's just strange on its own. But let's see. 30 minutes. Okay, guys, it's happening. It's happening, guys. It's gonna be very fast. Just FYI, it's gonna be pretty much fast. If it happens, nice. It's gonna be pretty much okay. Guy, don't trigger me, man. What the fuck is wrong with you? Don't trigger me. If you don't want to move down, I want you to move down with force. Guys, my position just triggered. So if this trade does not work, it means I'm losing today. Not like this trade, not today, because technically I have profits today. So my position has been triggered, and for the fact that the previous 1 hour is quite far from here, I'm not going to use the previous 30 minutes or whatever. Just going to use the 30 minutes itself as my stop loss. Okay, if it works, it works. If it doesn't work, it's a bye-bye. I'm risking for 8 pips. So let's see. I hope someone is taking the position, but please do not risk too much. Okay, the reason why we don't make money in forex is because we make money in one day and the next day we lose it all. Why? Because of simple thing. What is that? Greed. Okay, we have to, be contented, you guys. We have to learn how to be contented. Okay. Oh, someone is saying, look at NAS. Hey, look at NAS. Kingsley, hey, look at NAS. Yes, I'm looking at NAS, my friend. Tell me, what's about NAS? What about NAS, my friend? What about NAS? Okay, we are still trying to understand what price is trying to do. Perhaps 30 minutes might close this way. If it closes this way, it means the other 30 minutes either pushes down or I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what price is actually doing. Is anyone in on this trade? Do I have anyone in on this trade? Do let me know, please. I'm quite interested in knowing, celebrating your success on time, because it's going to be a great day. If price dares to break below this level, oh my god, we're going to see some, within a twinkle of an eye. It is possible that price will just touch, our take profit, which is the best thing that will ever happen to us today. That is what 154 pips, guys. 154 pips. That's a lot of money, guys, right? So let's just hope this actually happens. Okay, let's hope it actually happens. So I'm just gonna copy this and set my take profit just in case I get busy with talking or whatever and price moves so fast. I have a feeling the price is gonna just drop heavily, just like my good friend wanted. What's his name? My Russian friend. Let's see. I think we should have, waited for entry below this level. Really, I just have a feeling I may. But then this is a week, right? It is a week, so makes sense if I leverage on the week field just the way we normally do too. Yeah, that's approximately 30 pips, so I'm not wrong. If it goes AWOL, it's okay. Trades are meant to be lost sometimes, right? So I'm at 125.05. Let's see 125.05, my dear. Oh, 125. That's nice, my dear. It's pretty much nice. It's good. 125.05 is somewhere here. So could you just share with us what actually prompted you to get in at that level? I mean, what did you see? Perhaps just share with us, please. Pedro Torres, Mr. Torres, could you share with us what you actually saw, that prompted you to go into this trade at that level? I mean, I think it could be a learning, curve for us as well, right? Because I don't really see anything that could have prompted you to get in at that point, right? So share with us, what do you see? What made you to get in at that point? This is 125.05. That's too risky, man. For me, I think it's too risky. I mean, Larona, at what level did you get in? At what level did you get in? So do not forget to like the stream, follow us on Telegram. I mean, not follow us, join us on Telegram and be part of the discussion that we have every day. At least if you're part of the group, look at what is going on here. I'm just going to show you a little bit of what we have going on in here, okay? Okay, so can you see what is going on here? This is trade. I took it today. It's a win, right? Why did I take it? I took it because of this week. I wanted a week fill, so I took it, and my stop loss was somewhere above here, so I left. I just left, okay? I just left, and then when I came back, I saw that price was going up. I just closed. My target was somewhere here, somewhere below this level, okay? But then, funny enough, price went all the way and broke this level even. I mean, if I didn't close here, I would have gotten my full position, right? If you go backwards, you're gonna see this is NAS. I mean, the German index, right? So you can see our formation here. You can see our forces right here, right? Based on these forces, I got in, like, I gave the team heads up, and after that I got in. See, I had three trades. I got in here. Price, this same candle went all the way up, so I got in additional extra position. Look at it here. I got in two more positions right here. I got in first and then second and third, right? Because I knew that this was going to play out. Even if it doesn't play out, my stop loss is just somewhere around the corner, just very close by, right? So I just got in I just opened 3 positions. I'm not advising you to do that. And look at the outcome. Guess what? Price hit my take profit and still went down up to somewhere around 131.09. Okay. And what happened? This was a trade I saw. You can see, this is at 12 p.m. right? This is a trade I saw at 11. I told you guys I normally trade also at 11 because 11 is, London Open, right? At London Open, all Euro pairs they move massively, right? So this is why I got in here and got in at Euro USD as well. So you can see here, what did I say? I said something, before I got in. I said something here. I gave the signal, right? I said, what do you think about this bearish force on German index 1 hour, right? This was the signal. This was the outcome, final outcome here. It's just here. Why is it? I don't know why the other guy is not showing. I don't know, for some reasons. This was the final outcome. I gave the signal when price was somewhere around here, and look at this final outcome. It went all the way down. For those of us who are smart enough, they caught this trade, I'm sure. Look at our take profit. Look at what was our take profit? 130.40. Price hit there like and exceeded. So this is what I call. Oh no, I don't. No. I don't. They did. Price stopped at this level. Sorry, guys. Price stopped at this level at 131.02, which is where I had my actual take profit, because as per the rules of this setup, the rules of this setup says that you must use the next level as your TP. These ones are just some sort of extended profit, just in case something, there was some sort of massive move, So this is actually what I'm talking about. At the flip of the candle, I got in at 124.64. Nice one. The nice one. It was nice. So that's it. That's all I wanted to show you guys. If you're not part of my Telegram channel, please join now. We have party there every day. If you go to previous days, I could show you one more, guys. Let's just go back. I think I've shown this before. I've displayed this before. This was it. From this level, I displayed this. It took us all the way down here, right? So makes sense, guys. Makes sense. Join our Telegram group. It's gonna be awesome. Let's see. Did this just get here? Wait, let me see. Did it? No, it didn't. Okay. So 10 minutes. Let's see. Either this guy closes, touches this, touches 124.04, or goes to stop loss. One of them, it must do one of them. If it doesn't, I'm not going to close it. I'm good for the day. I made my money already, so I'm not being selfish, guys. Don't get me all wrong, but just looking at the setup, I think it should move down. If it doesn't move down, I'm going to allow it to hit the stop loss. Just like I did in the morning, the bearish forces that formed, it was moving up. I wasn't worried. I was just adding trade. Why? Because my stop loss is around the corner. What am I going to lose? I'm not going to lose much. Let me risk it, right? Because I know what I was looking at. I know the setup. I know it like no other person, right? I knew it. I mean, it was going to do like that. So let's all palm and enjoy the view, the price movement. If you want, you can raise a topic. You can talk about a topic. Please look at 15 minutes close. Does it show we are going up? Oh my dear, no, I don't know really. 15 minutes close could mean a lot of things, right? So I don't really work with all these interpretations anymore. Yes, you can see in terms of weak fill, do you see 15 minutes here? The answer is no, right? So I can only consider 15 minutes if I get this some sort of forces forming for any direction. Then I can focus on 15 minutes to see. As if I see this in 15 minutes, I can just take advantage of it to quickly ride with the price until it hits the next support or resistance. All right. So I don't really deal with weak fill on 15 minutes at all. I don't. Okay, Larona says, what prompts for entering multiple positions for J? Oh, I think I talked about it, right? This is looking so beautiful. I know a friend of mine, guys. You saw it. Let me deviate a little bit. Let me show you guys something very interesting. Did you see this setup? This setup, have you memorized it? Can you see the same setup here? Can you see? It happens all the time, guys. It happens. So technically, what I'm trying to say is the inverse of this. I think I'm going to add it. So when all these forces forms and it fails to break above, for instance, in a bullish force, if all these forces forms and it fails to break above, the break of its low is the signal. If you don't get in here, right? Look at it. All these forces formed. It couldn't break out. Then it broke out the other way around, and look at what happened, right? And this guy, the forces just between these two, it couldn't break out of these two. Look at what happened next. So it makes sense if I actually add this. I'm gonna add it. After some time, let me observe it for a while. I'm gonna add it after some time. So back to my friend, my good friend that actually was trading this. He was trading this setup. I don't know if he still trades it, but I lost contacts. No, I didn't lose. We don't communicate as such anymore. He's here in Dubai with me. He trades this setup. Every time this setup happens, this young man is on trade. Like, he makes literally $800 a day. Like, he just gives himself targets. $800 a day. So can you imagine $800 a day in 100 days, guys? You know how much that's going to be? That's a lot of money, guys. Okay, so this young man, he kept on doing this until this started failing him. I don't know, for some reasons, you know, maybe he feels he's the god of forex and he started risking a lot of money, and he eventually lost his account, fortunately. Lisa wants me to add this to my playlist. No, I will add it, but not now. I just want to study it. If you remember before I added, I scrapped my playlist and came up with this too. I was talking about this every time. Every time I see this, I say this is my favorite setup, this is my favorite setup, right? So I want to see this often. If I see it often, why not? I'm gonna add it. Definitely. What is price? Come on, can you just go? See, Lisa, can you tell this price to go down, please? What the hell is it doing? So it's gonna give me high BP. Okay, kidding, guys. I'm kidding. Ooh, EURUSD. So, guys, you know what I'm gonna do? Seeing that EURUSD is causing this, making waves like this, it's too tricky. It's really tough. Let me leave my trade. I wanted to close at least 50%. I wanted to close 50% of my position, but I felt like, man, I'm not trading just because of EURUSD. I'm trading because I've got a setup, so I must see my setup through. If I waver on the days of trial, then why the hell am I the host? Okay, that's the point, right? So let's see. Can I get more likes, guys? Give me more likes, and please do well to join my Telegram group, PPP Drahams, on Telegram and across all the platforms. A lot of things are happening there. We discuss like family. I give everybody priority. I'm not bigger than anyone. Definitely, I'm not bigger than anyone. If you feel I'm bigger than anyone, look around. You're going to see bigger boys. There are a lot of bigger boys in Forex, man. There are lots of bigger boys in Forex. So I'm not a big boy in Forex yet. I've not gotten to the stage where I want to get to. That is why you see me, I'm hustling. I took a couple of trades some days in a row, like I think 5 days in a row, they were all losses. I questioned myself and I took off. Came back with something better. That is what I want to be. That humble guy that does things that profits the community, right? That's whom I want to be. Price go down. Okay. Lisa is actually reacting to the price go down. Okay. Price should please go down. It needs to go down. So that I can make massive profit, right, guys? Or don't you guys want to make massive profits? So Lisa, can you give me feedback? How is my mic today? I'm pretty much excited because I've got something new. I got a condenser mic, a professional mic for studios. I just got it just because of streaming on YouTube, streaming with 14 subscribers. 14 viewers. What do you think? Lisa, do you think the voice is better than previous voices? Because I feel pretty awesome. Like, I feel not awesome, I feel excited because I feel it's better than other mics I've used. Haha. Yeah, thank you. Yes, those words are pretty much nice. So let's grow this community. We can't just be for 147 for long, guys. Let's grow. Let's get into 2,000, 10,000, 20,000. I think that's when I'm gonna be pretty much excited, right? I don't like the way this guy is retracing. Really, it makes me very uncomfortable. I don't know, for some reasons. Okay, let's see. Do not forget the current position is, we got in here, we got a confirmation from weak fill. Okay, we are in this trade based on weak fill. So if it goes wrong, it records against weak fill right here. So at the end of a couple of months, we're going to review or revise. I think it's called review. Okay, we're going to review and see what actually is not working, right? Whatever is not working, we're going to remove it and add whatever is working. Okay, let's see. Pretty much fine. Now this is gonna be tough, guys. This is the time to close the position if you're not comfortable. Okay, for me, I've made up my mind to lose this for 8 pips, for 9 pips. Okay, if you're not comfortable, you are in profit, close the position. For me, I've made up my mind to lose the money, but for you it could be different. Okay, if you're not comfortable, close it. Now you're in profit. Okay, can I get more likes, guys? Can I get more likes? More likes. If oh, somebody liked and took back his like. What is this, guys? Somebody liked and took back. Why are you guys so stingy with likes, guys? Come on, you should be so generous with likes. Come on, guys. Okay, if price breaks below that level, you can see the level clearly. This is our setup forming right here. This is the second setup. This is forces forming right here, right? If price breaks below this level, I think it's gonna be tough. Like, it's gonna just push. My only call out around this level is this. As long as I have here So if I get a push downwards, I'm going to close everything at once. Okay, I'm not going to wait for price to hit my TP. No, nope. If I get a very strong push to the downside, I'm just going to close everything because I don't trust this. That push means it's going back to retest this young man. If he does, it may just go back up, right? So let's see how it plays out. Let's see. Double top is just a phrase, or do I call it a clause? I don't know what double top is. You can say that if you want. You can say that it formed a double top. For me, again, guys, I just want you guys to understand something. Okay, these are old concepts. Okay, double top, triple top, this one, that one, they are old concepts. The only thing that has been in the market, and it has been in the market for quite a long time, is candlestick patterns. It never changes, right? The behavior never changes. But these things, yeah, I have a double top here and it moved quite well, moved very well, right? I have a double top here. Does it guarantee that this double top is going to move like this one? It's not a guarantee, right? So it's better we just look for something else, because everybody knows about double top now. Everybody knows about it, right? Let's look for something that people are not familiar with. Let's spend more time gathering some signals, gathering some confirmations. Yes, if you leverage on these double tops, yes, it's everywhere. I mean, these recent times, double bottom, double top is everywhere, right? You can see it's everywhere. It's going to give you billions of dollars this month. Next month, it's going to take trillions of dollars from you. Is that what you want? But if it is something that works for you, it's pretty much fine. Go ahead and take it. You can see I'm marking them out. This is triple bottom, right? This is double top. It still works, by the way. It still works. Okay, but how do you confirm it? How do you confirm it? Right? How do you confirm that this actually works? For instance, are you not going to assume that this and this are double top? Then it's going to rip you off. Are you not going to assume that this and this are double top? It's going to rip you off. Okay, so I mean, if you want to use this concept, you need to come up with something better than what those guys did. Okay, what those guys before us, whatever thing they did, you need to come up with something better, right? Come up with some sort of confirmation mechanism that's going to help you to understand double tops, to be able to cascade it to people who needs the help with it, right? Come up with some sort of, if I want to trade double top, I'm going to strictly trade it, and I know how. If I see this as, if I want to trade a double top and I see this as a double top, what I'm going to do, I'm going to let go of all these moves. I'm not going to attempt to catch these moves. I'm going to start trading from here, right? I'm going to start trading from here. So once the price breaks out, I'm going to wait for a retest, which a retest has happened, right? So after a retest, when I see this candle, perhaps I'm going to set a sell stop here. I mean a buy stop here. See, it gets in and it hit my stop loss, right? And then again, it's just so complicated, guys. It looks easy when it has played out. Believe me, it looks very easy when it has played out. But during the time of playing out, you don't know how much all these guys who are talking about all these things are losing. You don't know. Okay, see, this guy reversed. I told you guys, I have a mixed feeling about this. I have a very mixed feeling about this because of this. See, it reversed. My feeling about it is a very bad one. Again, if you have a mixed feeling about this trade like me, oh, this actually gave me up to 30 pips. What was I thinking, man? Gave me up to 30 pips. I should have closed this. Sure, man. Okay, so if you have mixed feeling about this trade just like me, you go ahead and close it. It's still not late, guys. It's still not late. Okay, you go ahead and close it, please. Close it out if you have a mixed feeling about the trade like me. Simply close it because it's not for you. After all, what do I mean? After all, it has filled the week. The reason why we got in it was to join it until it fills the week, and it has done the job. But then we missed it. While trying to narrate, we missed the whole move. I saw this actually, but my mind wasn't there to close partials since this guy has done the job, right? It's okay. Pretty much I'm going to lose the money, so it's nothing. I mean, just going to hang on in there and throw down. Let's see German index. German index is still pushing high. Still pushing high. So this is actually doing this and breaking above is a sign that price will continue moving up. So I think it makes sense if I actually get out of that trade to save this little money. But I still have a call out. Anyway, whatever wants to happen, let it happen. Oh, price is approaching our stop plus, guys. So daily price is going back up again for hours. Pretty much tough, guys. This is it's becoming very tough. I think it makes sense if we call it a day. What do you think, guys? My Russian friend, yeah, I don't know, this is your name. If I'm going to read it the way I'm saying it, it reads Nropbo. Is that is that the correct pronunciation, my friend? Please teach us how to pronounce your name, okay? Man, what I don't like right now is to again wipe off this 60%, right? It's insane. Just gonna wipe off this, and guess what? We are at 48 pips loss risk. We are risking 48 pips, right? 49 pips. So it means if we wipe off this, we're gonna be at minus 2 pips. Okay, see. Wakefield bears, we got into the trade in 1 hour, I guess. Yes, 1 hour. Or was it in 30 minutes? 1 hour and 30 minutes, they're playing the same game. So guys, from what you see here, you see this is trying to happen. This setup here is trying to happen again. So again, I'm advising you, please take out your money on time. For me, I'm not going to take out my money. It's okay, it's fine. Take out your money on time, okay guys? Please, I'm begging. Has it closed? Oh my god, it's really approaching closure. That was bad. The reason why I don't want to close this trade is if it happens that this is all a fake move and it breaks below, it's going to move so much, so low. It's going to move so low. That's why I don't want to close it. Guys, actually, this is just insane. Just occurred to me that this is insane. Yeah, price may go up or it may go down, I don't care. But what I care about right now is uh you see this level, see what's just happening here, right? Everything that happened here, right, is going to begin to happen here again. See everything that happened here, all this is going to happen here, okay? And if care is not taken, everything that happened here after this is going to happen here, okay, until NAS gets out of consolidation. This is actually some sort of consolidation happening out of ranging markets. It's going to keep happening, until it gets out of consolidation. So no matter what happens anyway, I don't really care. What I care is that price it's time to push down. Okay, perhaps it may hit our stop loss, but then it doesn't matter. What matters is that we'll come back tomorrow and catch a good, nice, fantastic trade, right? That's actually what I care about right now. That's the only thing I care about. So what's up 15 minutes? Are you gonna make us proud? Can someone ask 15 minutes? He's about to make us so proud. Is it gonna do some magic? Okay, where is it gonna be? Up or down, guys? Really, I want this to go down so that we don't have to wipe out these wins here. For me, I'm good for the day, by the way, because I opened some trades during London session, which is my personal time. London Open, that's my personal time. But I want our live stream to also have some fantastic wins, because a lot of people are depending on it, right? I don't want us to fail them. Okay, guys, it seems it's gonna hit stop loss, so I'm just gonna close 50% of my trade right now. Just gonna close 50%, let the rest 50% run. Okay, guys, my trade just hit stop loss from my own platform, or even though it has not hit here, so I'm just going to record this as loss against us, against humanity. Okay. This is bullshit, man. 50%. Why did this happen, guys? What did we do wrong? Again, you can record this happening here again, right? So let's see. I think that will be all. That will be all for today, guys. I'm done for the day. Okay, I won how many trades today? 1 2 3 4 5. Out of 6 trades, I lost 1. I won 5 and lost 1. That's enough. That's more than enough, guys. I need to go home and sleep. More than enough. More than enough. More than enough. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I think we're gonna call it a day because I can't be streaming the whole day. I think I've already streamed for 2 hours 2 minutes. Makes sense to actually take some break and do other things. Okay, I hope to catch you guys tomorrow. We made how much do you make today, guys? Equaling out. I think they actually equaled out. So today we're at BE. We keep coming back every day. One day we're gonna, you see this move, we keep making little bits of money every day, but then one day we're gonna cash a whole candle like this, right? That day is coming, I'm sure. Okay, based on my strategy, which works perfectly well, we're gonna catch something pretty well soon. Okay, so that is it for today, guys. I hope to see everyone again tomorrow. Catch you guys. Bye, everyone. Wow, zombie cat flip is trading from Berlin. Really, I appreciate each and every one of you for making out your time to join us. It's gonna be a fun moment every single day, guys. Make sure you come back every day, and do have yourself a lovely evening or morning or afternoon, depending on your time zone. Bye bye, everyone.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me, ain't no hide and seek.